Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a first impressions of Tarte makeup. So I recently got a bunch of makeup from Tarte. So I wanted to show you guys my first impressions and what I think of all the makeup. So this is the look that I came up with. So if you want to see what I got and my reviews and this makeup look, go ahead and keep watching. So the next thing I'm going to use is the Shape Tape Hydrating Foundation. So I'm just going to put it on like that. And then I'm just going to take a beauty blender and blend it out. So it's actually blending in pretty well. At first it was a little patchy and it dries pretty fast, so I gotta blend fast. I mean, it's blending in pretty well, so far so good, I guess. It smells like fresh bananas. It's so weird. It's evening out my skin tone, which I really wanted, and it has pretty good full coverage. And it is pretty hydrating actually, like more than my normal foundation. So I'm pretty happy with it so far. So foundation, pretty good so far. So next I'm gonna use the concealer. This is the Rainforest of the Sea Aqua Concealer. And I am a big fan of Shape Tape. So this one I assume is gonna be a little bit lighter. Yeah, I definitely like concealer for brightening and highlighting, so I like the shade. Compared to Shape Tape, this is definitely lighter and it is highlighting and it pretty much melts into my skin, so super nice. That is the concealer. Pretty good, pretty good. So now I'm gonna use the Aspen Ovard palette and I'm gonna go into the eyeshadows and see what kind of look I can come up with. I'm gonna take Santorini Sands and Married Life and just dust that all over my eye area. Okay, I never use Tarte eyeshadows like ever. This might be my first like Tarte eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna take Wonderlust, which is this dark brown shimmery shade. I'm just gonna put it on my outer corner a little bit. I like how these are blending. I mean, I haven't blended it really into anything, but I like how they initially apply. Super smooth. I'm going to take the color High School Sweetheart, which is a light pink right up here, and I'm going to start blending that into the crease. I'm gonna focus on this inner crease right here, more on that shade, and then I'm gonna blend out a darker shade in the outer corner. So I'm gonna take Tea Time and Road Trip on the same blending brush, and I'm just gonna focus that on the outer corner. I'm gonna take High School Sweetheart again and blend it all together. And I'm gonna go in with Heart of Gold. So this is the beautiful gold shade right in the middle. And I'm going to put that all over my lid. So I'm gonna focus this right on the middle of the lid. This shade is so pretty. It's super like chunky, but in a good way. So it's really nice. Quite a bit of fallout, but that is suspected for such a like glittery shade like that, but it's fine. I'm going to use the Lifted mascara. So this is like the sweat proof one. So I'm gonna apply some of the mascara. I love a new mascara wand. I don't know what it is, but like opening up a brand new mascara is so satisfying. I actually like the black brown. It's not like so intense, which is nice for the summer. I'm just trying to like be chill and low-key, you know, with the makeup. So yeah, this is just kind of like a basic mascara, nothing like too intense, but I kind of like it. Next, I'm going to go back into the Tarte palette from the Aspen collection, and I'm going to take the blush, which is this beautiful like dusty rose color. It's called Made You Blush. I'm just going to put some of that on my cheeks. Ooh, this is nice. And then I'm going to take my Morphe highlighting brush and put on the highlighter, which is in Pure Soul. Oh yeah, it's coming. It's getting there. It's not too like blinding, so that's nice. I'm liking this. I'm liking this look a lot. I think I'm just gonna use the Lip Surgeons because it's a lot easier than getting this out. So this is in the color Blushing Bride. I'm not loving the application, but the color is really pretty. All right, this is what the makeup is looking like. The eyes, super pretty, really nice and glowy face. And I like how all the products came together, so I'm liking it. This is what the face is looking like. Super pretty highlight and blush. I love the eyes. They're super pretty. And alright guys, that is the finished video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it, and if you liked it, make sure you thumbs up. And if you want more, make sure you subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!